So I've been on a boat all day and all yesterday. Found a lot of cool shit. Like this conch shell. Big as hell. And now I'm back at my old roommate's house. My friend Eugene.
What's up?
And apparently I pulled out some hermit crabs here.
Which he didn't even realize he had. I'm trying to save their life.
Which they're still living. So he just found out on the internet how to make salt water. You gotta use actual sea salt or it won't work. We're gonna try to save these guys.
The trick is to get the water
I hope
a good temperature.
we can save you, friends. Don't bite me. I want to show them these sand dollars. Or don't grab me, whatever.
Pinch you.
Got some nice sand dollars here. Got a mini conch. Doesn't work. Let's see. He's probably frightened as shit. But there's one of the crabs. Mix that water quick. These guys are dying. We gotta save the animals.
Alright, hyper whisk.
Although I killed a lot of shrimp today. I feel like a murderer.
Sure, just cannot see the salt.
Alright. Don't know if the water's salty enough to work.
I hope it is. I don't want them to die.
I hope this man don't pinch me. Oh,
Go,
come on, guy.
go.
Oops.
Sorry,
That
dude.
probably hurt you. Didn't mean to drop you, but you scared me a little. Oh, well.
Oh, he went inside, so he's good.
They're both
You got one more.
inside.
You got one more. Get the snail.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, don't forget the snail.
Now this one, as he's saying, we believe is a snail.
I think it is. It felt like it
He
smelled
won't
like
come
a fucking
out.
fish market down here.
We're about to find out. I hope these
You don't
guys
find
are
anything
okay.
bothering me at all.
Once it gets upstairs, it'll bother me.
We're gonna see how they're doing in a little bit.
You do that shit just to annoy the fuck out of me.
Bro, it's literally, you can't just spray it. It has to soak.
It'll soak. They'll soak.
Like, for days.
They'll soak.
Whoo! Dang.
All I smell is bleach.
Yeah, all it smells clean.
Sorry, guys. You know, we should have saved one of these.
Can't.
Now we can't.
So guys, believe it or not, this is the finished product of bleaching sand dollars. I mean, I'm sure everybody here has seen a sand dollar before in a surf shop or whatever. Well, this is a legit sand dollar from the ocean, bleached. I don't have the others on me. Took them to a different location, so I can't really prove it, but later on maybe I could prove it. By the way, the hermit crabs unfortunately died, and I just didn't feel right filming them. To my skateboarding audience, I know you are still patiently waiting on me to land the ollie off the roof. Mark my words, it is still coming. I promise you guys. I do not know when it will be. I can't promise you it will be my next video or the one after that. But there will be a part 2. But, unfortunately, I snapped my board.
Oh.
But, it's okay. I got me a brand new Enjoy.
Woohoo!
Enjoy complete. Got a truck. Enjoy, everything Enjoy. I do like Enjoy. But if I had a choice, I would put my trucks back on this. But I wanted something fresh, and because of COVID, Zoomies is out of stock. So, as you can see, the board's a little wobbly. And I don't skate loose. It's way too dangerous. There's too much wheel bite going on. So I got me a ratchet. I'm about to tighten this thing up. It's simple, guys. This isn't rocket science. I don't want too tight. Yeah, this is.
Can't see you guys looking on board. I leave some good Jesus forward.
Alright.
Close up.
So anyway, you don't want too tight. Just enough. I was gonna make a little tutorial video for y'all on how to set up a fresh skateboard. I love gripping boards. That's the best feeling. Alright, see now. Back one's a little loose. Front one's just a little tight. And maybe a little more here.
Good and stiff?
I said don't want too stiff. Trucks can actually break on you. Did anybody know that? It's happened to me.
That look kind of stiff to me.
Let's see.
Oh?
Oh yeah, now we're talking America. Hell yeah. Barefoot all the action. Oh, super crazy grip. We're ready to ride. Alright YouTube, unfortunately it's nighttime because it's been raining for like the past week or so. But we're gonna break this thing out right because it feels great to skate at night. Sponsored by Mountain Dew. Not really.
T.
Almost at that line.
Hey, head toward the light. Head toward the light. Yeah.
Come on, guys, we got a light over here. Time for my freaking. It's so grippy.
Got it. Oh, 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 oh.
I think the board's a little still too loose.
You think?
I'm gonna have to tighten it up. But I'll count that as a win. Now we're gonna go for the fakie backside flip.
Oh. And the board made it. He did not. And once again, the lone riding board.
Fakie kick flip. I don't suck at skating, guys, I promise. I'm just tired. So my phone died that night, but I managed to get some other skate clips. Just a little bonus in here.
Gar. action. Long enough. Oh, so you can land that. You know, if you actually would have landed, that would have been pretty badass. Yeah, 9 minutes on this one. Car.